So we were talking about a lot of people have image issues when they're on the street, but you're pretty strong, aren't you? And you were telling me off camera you're doing what you like, got a little job, and I said you can be a hermit or something with positive energy.
Well, the thing about life is when you're infringed by other people that tell you what to do all the time and put you down, you want to be free of that negativity. And I don't live in negatives.
No.
I live in positive.
I think
It could say anything you want about, oh yeah, I don't have a house, I don't have a car, I don't have a big time paying job, but I'm happy.
good.
I'm not miserable sitting at home yelling at my wife about how she don't do this and do that. I ain't got nothing in my life. I don't owe any bills to nobody.
That's right.
You know, consumers and cable. I can get it right now if I
If you
had
wanted
a
it,
place.
yeah. You're kind of the philosopher of the gang here, aren't you? I've known you for 3, 4, 5 years.
Closer to 10.
Yeah. So closer to 10, and you are the one who talks. You think things through, and you're the man that people come to ask their questions, and you help them.
You know how many people I have talked out of getting in fights?
Yeah.
I talk them down.
Good.
Dude, you don't want to do this. This ain't going to end up good for anybody. Come on now, let's just talk. And I've got a couple friends. I know the guy was going to stomp him, and
You
I
did
talked
good.
to the guy. I said, man, he's an idiot. Let me get him out of your face, and the trouble will be over. And I did. I got him out of there, you know.
You did good. You're a good man.
Well, you know what? In life, you do good things come back to you, you know? And when I do stuff for old women, you know, that can't shovel their driveway or rake their leaves. Or
You are the snowman.
Yeah, you know, you do stuff for people, and they'll do stuff for you.
Let me get.
Return.
I gotta get Brian's coffee, but you got that coffee. He's up and about. But that's right. There's. I'll show people pictures of you and Tom doing the shoveling and interviews with you, so they remember that. We'll flash forward that because you during some storms were helping people whether you got paid or not. I remember that.
Right.
But you are the sage in terms of the guru, going way back to the mayor of Flint. Way back, they did an article in the papers about you guys, you and Red, and you would console people who were just on the street. Okay.
Well, you don't mess with the boy from Flint who can squint like Clint.
That's right.
Feel lucky, punk.
Yeah.
Make my day.
Yeah, that's right. That's your new song. That's your new
I
song.
love it, man.
Yeah.
Because people are going to look at you like, oh, you think you're Mr. Tough Guy, huh?
You're
Well,
a gentle guy, though. No, you're a gentle giant.
but I never wrote a song about being tough.
That's right.
And I was like, man, because they don't know if you're telling the truth or not.
You are the talker of the group.
You're-
All right, I gotta check with this guy. He needs a coffee. Okay.
Alrighty.